Hello there, family friends, and viewers from across the world. Joey Jones, back on the road. First, let me say it one more time. I know you guys see me flying drones and talking about drones, but yeah, I do drones, and I also do trucks. So we're on my truck right now. I'm just getting ready to drop this container off. Yeah, we're doing it in a modem right now. That's what we're doing in the modem. But I'm about to plug in my lines. Actually, I just dropped this off. Just want to secure my lines. But we're getting ready to pick up another container, so just gotta make sure that that release handle's off. Perfect. This is the empty drop. So yeah, this is gonna be a good video, good question. I have a couple of subscribers that asked me the question, and the question was it worth leaving the job, and was it worth the sacrifice? Was it worth just going ahead and moving on and getting a best endeavor in your life? And tell you the truth, it was I want to say that it's worth it. It was worth it.
A new message has arrived.
I want to speak for myself here, and yes, it was worth it. I don't regret. And the most part about trucking, the most beautiful part about trucking for me, is that you're on your own. You're your own boss. You don't have a boss on your neck. You don't have nobody breathing on your neck telling you what to do. And you're on your own. Now the boss right here, I'm gonna tell you where's the boss.
You have 2 new messages, 2 and 2.
I'm gonna tell you where's the boss is right here. You want to talk to your boss? Everything is right here, all in the Qualcomm. Arrive that shipper, local car, arrive. That's all. You know, and they don't see you, you don't see them, but they know where you at. And because every time you send a message, it'll send a location of where you're at. But this right here, this is the one that snitches on you. Well, it doesn't really snitch. It's just if you come to a complete stop. If you hard brake, it'll record. If you're getting too close to a vehicle, it records. And if you just didn't stop at a stop sign, it'll record that too. But that's the only thing that snitch on you. But other than that, you don't have nobody telling you what to do or breathing on your neck, you know. But yeah, I mean, the hardest part about this is sitting down with your wife or your husband and having to tell them that you're leaving for a couple of months. That's the hardest part. You know, it was hard for me, and I always thank God because I made it this far from a student to a professional truck driver. And as you can see, I have my own truck, and it's been okay. It's been okay, and you're alone, but you can get to talk to, you know, if you get yourself one of these, you can call your husband, you can call your wife, you can call your family, as long as you focus and pay attention to what you're doing on the road. But yeah, I mean, those are no regrets, and it's again, it's tough. It's a sacrifice because you do have to leave your job if you're working, and not everybody, you know, sometimes people, they just want to go ahead and move on with their lives, and they're tired of being at the shop, tired of being in the office. So people, you know, they want to try different things. And I did 12.5 years at a shop, and I got sick of it. I got sick of the manager telling me what to do, breathing on my neck, man. And the employees, you got a lot of, you know, people that talk behind your back. then they love you today, they backstab you tomorrow. That's everywhere, just about. Even here too. You know, I always be by myself. I'm always alone. I try to stay away from everybody, you know. But you can't really, like, you know, what can you do? So but yeah, I mean, just go for it. Just give it a try, and give it a try. Do it. I mean, it can be done. You know, if your wife loves you, if your husband loves you, they will wait for you. You know, and then again, the hardest part is to let go. But once you're in, you're in. And then everything else is just piece of cake. Everything else can be done. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to do my truck videos, and I'm gonna continue to do my drone videos. Okay, so just want to let you know that if you see me on my drone, that's a drone video. If you see me on my truck, that's a truck video. So right now I'm on Amazon, and we're in Jersey. I seen already like 6 Amazon buildings. Amazon, they making a lot of money. Big company. Well, guys, go for it. Do it. Females, you too. Go for it. Do it. You know, it's just worth. You just gotta focus, pay attention. Watch my videos. I did a couple of videos, a lot of pre-trip, a lot of studying. So it's worth it. It's worth it. So again, guys, God bless you all. Wish you luck. You can email me if you have questions at dronesourworldsky at gmail.com. I'm gonna put it down below. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.